Your learning journey starts now. Forget tanks and numbers. What if the next battlefield is fought by minds, not just machines? We're talking artificial consciousness in military systems. It's not just about smarter algorithms, it's about AI that can potentially be aware, have intent, and operate continuously. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now, shifting the very definition of power from sheer force to algorithmic prowess. But with great power comes, well, you know, let's dive in. So, where does this conscious AI actually fight? First up, command and control. Imagine an AI acting as your super smart staff officer, instantly analyzing mountains of data, understanding the situation, and suggesting moves faster than any human could. It streamlines the classic OODA loop: observe, orient, decide, act, making decisions lightning fast. Then there's cognitive electronic warfare. Think of it as a mind game in the electromagnetic spectrum. Instead of just blasting static, these systems learn, recognize new enemy signals, and adapt their countermeasures in real time, constantly outsmarting opponents. And finally, autonomous unmanned systems. We're seeing drone swarms acting like a single, coordinated entity, executing complex missions. These aren't just remote-controlled toys, they're intelligent agents on the field, supervised by humans, of course, keeping the reins on lethal force. Now, who's racing to build these thinking weapons? It's a global sprint. China's pushing hard with its intelligentized warfare concept, aiming for AI across all sectors, military and civilian, fused together. The US? They're betting big on the third offset strategy, using AI to maintain dominance, especially through concepts like joint all-domain command and control, trying to connect everything seamlessly. Russia, more pragmatic, focuses on robotics and finding asymmetric advantages, leveraging what they have effectively. The underlying theme? Everyone agrees that future military might will be defined less by how many soldiers you have and more by how smart your algorithms are. It's a high-stakes game for technological supremacy. Okay, powerful tech. But how do we keep it from going rogue? Enter the DIKWP times DIKWP model. Sounds fancy, right? Think of it as giving AI a structured brain. DIKWP stands for data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose. It's a hierarchy. Raw data gets processed into information, then knowledge, leading to wisdom, guided by a core purpose. The double loop part. That's clever. There's the main loop doing the job, and a meta loop constantly monitoring the first loop, checking for errors or drift. It's like having an AI conscience. Plus, semantic control ensures the AI truly understands critical terms like civilian versus combatant, preventing tragic misunderstandings. And crucially, humans always retain the final authority, especially on life or death calls. Safety isn't an afterthought, it's baked into the architecture. But let's be real. This stuff throws serious ethical and legal curveballs. If an autonomous AI makes a mistake, whose fault is it? The programmer? The commander? The machine itself? Current law points to the commander, but if the AI's reasoning is opaque, accountability gets murky. That's why transparency is non-negotiable. We need to understand how these AI systems make decisions. The goal isn't necessarily to eliminate human control, but to evolve it. From simply being in the loop to being a true partner on the team. AI provides incredible speed and analysis, but the nuanced judgment, the moral calculus, that remains firmly human territory. It's a delicate balance walking between harnessing immense power and ensuring safety and responsibility. That's the challenge we face.